with the added benefit of the lactic acid in the milk, it will also help to exfoliate, leaving a glowing skin behind. It will help to remove blemishes as well and leave your skin looking beautiful. If your skin is badly damaged, you could start out this daily, then after 5 days consecutively, you can slow it down to alternate days. Hello, welcome back to Geraldine Soz's channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe and click on the notification bell so you always be the first to know once a new content is available. Today we'll be talking on turmeric and milk mask. Turmeric and milk mask is good enough to mildly exfoliate the skin because of the presence of lactic acid in the milk powder and also the enzymes in turmeric as well. This mask is good for everyday use, but I advise you use it 3 times a week on alternate days, not daily. It will help you lighten dark circles, help fade blemishes, and will also treat acne. Stay tuned as we go over to see how it is being prepared. Turmeric is one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to making DIY masks. Not with the many properties and benefits it has: clearing acne, eczema, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dark circles, all in one. Powdered milk exfoliates and also lightens the skin, which is why it is easy for it to lighten blemishes, dark spots, dark circles, and hyperpigmentation. So I've added the 2 of them, more of the milk and a little water. As you can see, it's kind of watery, but it was supposed to be thick. So to correct that, you just add more of one of the ingredients. In order to prevent staining of the turmeric, you can add more of the milk to thicken it. So when making yours, be mindful of the amount of water you add so it doesn't get watery like mine did. So you mix thoroughly. And it's all set. And all in one mask for clearing blemishes, acne, eczema, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, leaving a glowing skin free of blemishes of every kind. So here is the milk and turmeric mask ready to be used. This mask is safe to be used on a daily basis. but I advise you use 3 times a week. It will clear blemishes. It will help exfoliate, to help your skin glow. With the added benefit of the lactic acid in the milk, it will also help to exfoliate, leaving a glowing skin behind. It will help to remove blemishes as well and leave your skin looking beautiful. If your skin is badly damaged, you could start out this daily, then after 5 days consecutively, you can slow it down to alternate days. So after application, you now leave it to sit for 30 minutes, for it to take effect and do what it's supposed to do before you go wash off. Wash off with warm water to be able to get into your pores and take out the dead skin cells that has been scrubbed off because of the exfoliant properties of the milk and the turmeric as well. This mask will leave your skin blemish free. It will clear acne, it will clear dark marks. Your skin will glow because of the exfoliating effect and the effect that turmeric also has on the skin. Both will work in solidarity to give you a blemish free skin. This is because turmeric contains antioxidants, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that will help to keep acne away from the skin, that's prevent it, and also clear existing ones. It also has lightening properties that will help to brighten hyperpigmentation and clear dark circles. It also fights eczema. Milk on its own contains lactic acid that works to mildly exfoliate the skin and cause it to glow as a result of its brightening property. If you want to enjoy a flawless skin, make use of this mask 3 times a week. Try to use it on consecutive days, not daily, and you will enjoy a flawless skin. I'm sure you got value from this video, so do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you always get to know once there is a new content. For those of you struggling with acne, the Acne Handbook, the guide to getting rid of acne, breaks acne down to help you know the different forms of acne, where they occur, and what your body is saying each time you have acne on whatever part of your body. It also talks about the myths surrounding acne and the facts that are also available. The different foods that you should stay clear of if you know you have an oily and acne prone skin, and the foods that will help you to maintain a flawless skin. Why don't you get this book so you can go from an acne ridden skin to a flawless skin, just as I was able to overcome it myself. To get that book, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on it to get yours. See you in my next video. Cheers.